In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Thinkorswim on desktop. To get started, open the official Thinkorswim download page from Schwab in your web browser. This is the safest place to download the platform and helps make sure you're getting the latest version. Thinkorswim is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, although Linux setup is generally more advanced. Before you install the platform, keep in mind that you'll need a Schwab-enabled Thinkorswim account to log in and use it. Eligible users may also have access to paper money, which is the simulated trading environment. That can be helpful if you want to practice before using live trading tools. Once you're on the download page, choose your operating system and click the option to install Thinkorswim. Then just wait for the installer to finish downloading. After that, locate the downloaded file on your computer and open it. If you're using Windows, double-click the installer file and click Run if your system asks for confirmation. If you're on a Mac, open the downloaded DMG file and launch the installer from there. When the installation wizard opens, select your preferred language and click OK to continue. A little later in the setup process, you'll be asked to choose an account provider. Make sure you select Schwab, then click Next. Next, review the license agreement. After reading through the terms, accept the agreement and continue. You'll then be asked to choose installation options, such as whether this is a single user or multi-user install, and where the software should be installed. For most people, the default settings are perfectly fine and will save time. During setup, look for the option to create a desktop icon and make sure that box is checked. This makes it much easier to launch Thinkorswim later without having to search for it. Now click Install and wait while the wizard copies the necessary files and completes the installation. Once it finishes, check the option to run Thinkorswim, then click Finish. The platform should open automatically. When the login screen appears, choose either live trading or paper money depending on how you want to use the platform. Then enter your Schwab login credentials and sign in. On first launch, you may see a workspace setup wizard. You can use it to configure your workspace and customize layouts, or skip it and make those changes later from the setup menu. To confirm everything installed correctly, look for the Thinkorswim desktop icon, the login screen, and after signing in, the main trading dashboard. From there, you're ready to start using the platform. Thinkorswim will also check for updates automatically each time it starts.